Take a look past our innocence. Take a step back to yesterday, when life would move slower, we would never grow up. All we knew that love was for when we're older. Anything could happen, secretly imagine. They could never tear us apart, too young to fall. This is our story that we could take back someday. God only glory that we could get back, they say. This is our story that we could take back someday.